Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on the various features and the various functionalities that can be done within the settings tab of a particular item in a project. Once the user has navigated to the project's application, he or she can click on any existing project in the landing page. Once done, the user can click on a particular item within the project, and within the item can navigate to the settings tab. There are various sections that are displayed. In the Teams notification section, the various notifications that need to be received by the respective stakeholders for the particular item within a project can be configured. A Microsoft Teams group ID can be entered here and saved, and all the flags and activity past and status past deviations and the currency details and every single notification can be configured here in order to be triggered and to be received by the respective stakeholders who are part of this particular item through the KEBS bot. In general settings, the respective details such as the week of duration neglection, percentage based on activity, and whether the cost center for the item be edited or not can be modified here. In the Update FDT section, the user can download the template for the same and can update the details of the full-time employees who are working for the particular item, the shift details, and the particular practice, whether to be active or not, can be modified and can be uploaded back in order for the changes to be reflected. Finally, in the Upload Template section, the various activities, items within the particular project planning board can be downloaded and changes can be made within this particular Excel sheet and can be uploaded back for other activities and items to be uploaded as a bulk within the project planning board in the project. This is how the settings tab works within KEBS. Thank you for watching.